So you have come here and you launched it. So we are thankful to you. Thank you, ma'am.
First of all, congratulations to you, Rupa. It's a wonderful topic, and you look fantastic as Neera Arya. What a wonderful, brave story to tell, and I'm sure you'll have a wonderful experience doing that. I read deeply about it only after I got to know that you're making the movie, so I got to know so many things. I mean, we continuously hear about so many people who fought for our independence, and there are so many women and men like this whose stories, that's why we call them unsung heroes, and it's so beautiful to actually tell their stories now, because anything to do with the independence of India, just watching the trailer made me very emotional. I mean, there's so much of sacrifice that has gone to make this country free, and we must thank them. And the best way we can do that is by letting the new generation know what all has gone to get the freedom and to be where we are today. And I'm extremely patriotic, and to watch this trailer was very, very good. And I want to wish you all the best, and I'm so proud of you that you've taken on this project, which is something that you are directing as well, producing and acting. It's going to be a very, very challenging task for you, and I wish you all the best, and I'm sure you'll do justice to it. You've been working on it for the last 2-3 years, and it's a very, very brave topic to pick up, and I'm sure you'll do justice to it. I want to thank all of you. I want to thank the entire team for having me here and to make me part of this. It was wonderful of you. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. So nice of you. You yourself being a patriotic person and women leader, and you're wishing me the best. And I'm extremely happy to know that you liked the trailer. That's so nice of you to appreciate it and wish us. Thank you for coming here. So if they have any questions. Also, I've requested Mahima ma'am to do one of the guest appearance in the film, because the story starts from London journalist. So उधर का वेब मीडिया का लीड रोल में I wanted her to act anyway. I'll discuss about it later. There's a surprise to her that I'm requesting here. So thank you, ma'am. Please be seated.
We'll do Q&A. So, Deepika ji.
Yeah, Rupa, picking up this subject is really something very unique, you know, bringing forth this about Neera Arya. How did it come about?
Thank you, ma'am. So how it came, that is what even in my film story I'm showing the same thing. Being a journalist, when I was doing the research about patriotic people, unsung heroes, generally we have heard a few names, and as I told you people, even the last person, whoever is standing, he's a hero for me. बिकॉज मेरे देश के लिए उसको कुटुंब को छोड़ के, फैमिली छोड़ के, सब कुछ छोड़ के उन्होंने बलिदान दिया है. So when I was reading about it, I got so emotional, started crying. This story started haunting me. तो मैंने सोची ये फिल्म बनाना ही है, क्योंकि few people का like especially on a women leader ऐसा story तो नहीं आया है. And she sacrificed so much, and even at the end of her life, she was selling flowers on road. Though she did so much for the country did not do anything for her. उनका घर भी ले लिया, उनका पैसा भी ले लिया, सब कुछ ले लिया. Even she wrote आत्मकथा, one book, so that those books were also not available. So many things happened in her life. It was not just fighting for the country. वो सभी नहीं है. इतना लड़ने के बाद में भी she did not get anything. Even she couldn't lead a normal life as normal human being. तो ये सभी मेरे emotions में ऐसा घुस के then I started discussing about it with my writers and all. Then बाद में I went to KECDA to do research on her story. तो मैं as a journalist I wanted to write a book on her. तो बाद में मैं सोची फिल्म ही बनाऊं. तो मैं ऐसे ही HIV बच्चों के बारे में फिल्म बनाई थी. तो this story also, you know, instead of making 100 films, I wanted to make some beautiful films like this, which will be remembered forever. So that is when I went and requested my producers also. सर जी, इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग मेनी कमर्शियल सिनेमास, ऐसा देश के लिए बनाना है. दिस इज द बेस्ट गिफ्ट विच यू आर गोइंग टू गिव इट बैक टू अवर कंट्री. तो ऐसा फिल्म बनाना है. एंड ऑल्सो ऑल गर्ल्स whoever thinks like we are very modern, this generation के है, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, we are very independent, we are fighting, ये सब कुछ बोलते हैं, बट देश के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं? देश बोले तो समाज है, कुटुंब है, एंड नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के है. तो हम लोग क्या छोड़ के जा रहे हैं नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के लिए? दैट मैटर्स अ लॉट. तो पेट्रियाटिज्म अंदर रहना ही है, क्योंकि इस देश ने हमको जन्म दिया है, सब कुछ दिया है. तो वी शुड गिव बैक समथिंग टू आवर सोसाइटी एंड कंट्री. ऐसा सोच के मैंने ये स्टोरी बनाई.
Rupa, do you think you are lucky? You know, it's very difficult to get funds for a women-oriented subject these days.
Exactly, ma'am.
And even if you make it, you know, nonetheless, the audiences are more interested in watching male-driven films. Though we should
Heroes in cinemas.
we should not differentiate. So, what do you have to say? Because you have raised
Ma'am, as a women
funds.
leader, you yourself as a women leader, you're asking me. That is true. It is very difficult to, you know, portray women-oriented cinemas. But Neera Arya is not less than any hero. Heroes of India. तो उन्होंने इतना कुछ कर दिया है. She has done more than a hero. So when we portray her character and whatever she herself was and whatever the information we got, see, we all know she might have gone through more than what I show in the film as a person. But only in 2.5 hours or 2 hours, whatever is possible, that pain we are showing. But she is a real hero of our country. में इतने लोग थे ना, उसमें she is one of them. So when I approached the producers, even as I told you, Ripple ma'am, like Ripple Patel, like she is a woman. So when she also went through the story, she liked it because हम लोगों को ऐसा अलग सोचना है. तो we should make out of the box. And मैं, as I told you, we have to give back something to the country. तो not just in the film industry. Film industry में एक film बनाओ, next film बनाओ. Not to count the films. We want to give the quality film and patriotic cinema. तो सब लोगों को ये देखकर they should feel that even we should do something for the country and society. Yes, ma'am, it was difficult for me to find the producers. But when I was talking to these people, they did not make me suffer, not even one day. The very first day only they told me we will do the cinema. So I'm very lucky, as you told me, because the group of NRIs, they all, you know, they have showed the interest and they are funding for this cinema, and also they have told me nothing to worry about the this thing budget. Kyunki na budget, whatever story demands like that, we have to have the budget.
I have a question for Mahima.
Yes, ma'am.
It's really an honor that you are supporting a patriotic film, being a humongous commercial heroine, you know. What is patriotism?
This is going to be a commercial film, I think. Commercial is something, obviously, that will appeal to everyone. And like Rupa was saying, I see so many fascinating women in real life, but very few on screen. And I see lots of fascinating men on screen, not very many in real life. So I think there are more stories of fascinating women to be told, and I think now there are more being made and more being watched. So definitely, when you think of patriotism, when you think of freedom fighters, you rarely think of a woman figure. And there were so many. And for Rupa to have picked up one such, I think it's going to be very dramatic to tell the story. And also, like she said, it would be the best way for us to pay some kind of tribute to all those freedom fighters, and especially her and her life.
Yes. What is patriotism to you? And she surprised you by offering you a role. So, would you like to answer?
Patriotism is being, loyal to your country, where you're from, and loving it, and like I said, being loyal to it. I think that is patriotism, and understanding that this is, like we say in Hindi, this is our Ma. You know, this has given birth to us, and we must protect it at any cost, and not let any harm come to it. Mata. Patriotism is that. Love for your mother.
And she surprised you by offering you a role.
Yeah, she surprised me.
Why do you have to say that?
We'll talk about that.
My question is for Rupa ma'am.
Yes.
How much difficult to play that character, and how much you research in this character, and how much is search for this and country for कैसा रहा मतलब एक्सपीरियंस कैरेक्टर करने के लिए, और कितना नामुमकिन रहा आपके लिए ये इतना ब्यूटीफुल कैरेक्टर प्ले करना, उनके जैसा जोश, उनके जैसा सब कुछ, उनकी जैसी लैंग्वेज भी आपको सीखनी पड़ी होगी, हैव टू स्टडी ऑल्सो.
Yes, when I met all these people na in Kekda, so I had to talk to them in Hindi only. वैसे ही वो लोगों को मैं हिंदी जानती हूँ फिर भी इतना फ्लुएंट से नहीं जानती हूँ बात करने के लिए, बट दैट्स ओके. उन लोगों के साथ बैठ के वो म्यूजियम में बैठ के उन लोगों का हाथ पकड़ के तो उनसे वो स्टोरी सुनना बहुत अच्छा था. देन आई टोल्ड देम ये लोग इतना कुछ नीरा जी के लिए बना रहे हैं, तो if even the government has not done anything for her, so through our film I was discussing with my producer, we should do something even for Neera Arya ji के म्यूजियम के बारे में कुछ करना है. We have to put up all her painting stories and everything, and also we should keep her this thing memorable things whatever she left in her village. तो वो सभी रख के म्यूजियम को भी फिल्म में दिखाना है. That I was requesting from my producers, and also as you asked me, yes, more than difficult, passionately I loved the character, and passionately it was myself. It's like Neera Arya is coming on me, and I became Neera Arya became me. It's like that, because as I told you people, though I was in different country, I came back and did something. I wanted to do something for my country. तो इसलिए मुझे मेरे अंदर वो पेट्रियटिज्म था, अभी भी है, आगे भी रहेगा. तो इसलिए आई एम वेरी लकी टू प्ले दिस रोल एंड चूज दिस स्टोरी एंड टू स्टार्ट ऑफ विद हिंदी करियर. वो करने के लिए आई एम वेरी लकी.
महिमा मैम, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है कि आप यहाँ पे आए एज ए गेस्ट, कैसा रहा आपका, मतलब ऐसे ट्रेलर आपने देखा तो कैसा रहा, लगा आपको बहुत?
मैं इतना एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रही थी कि इतना शूट हो गया होगा. आई थॉट छोटा सा कुछ एक मतलब फ्यू सेकंड्स का होगा, बट दिस इज अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क. एंड जो आपके अंदर इमोशंस वो इवोक करता है वो वही है पेट्रियटिज्म का. सो इट डिड इवोक दैट सेंस ऑफ पेट्रियटिज्म इन मी, एंड आई वाज इंट्रीग्ड एंड आई वांट टू नो how this woman was involved in our freedom struggle and what was her story. So yes, it's very very intriguing. It grabbed my attention for sure.
मैम, अगर आपको इस मूवी में कोई भी रोल करने के लिए मिलता है तो आप करेंगी?
कोई भी नहीं, जबरदस्त वाला करूंगी.
पर अगर आपको कोई मतलब अनसंग हीरो के साथ अगर आपको कोई रोल करना मिले, ऐसा कोई मूवी मिले
If it is nice, yes. If it is also a very powerful role, I would obviously like to do. Yes.
क्योंकि अब तक आपने जो भी मूवी की है वो हिट ही रही है, तो इस पे
Thank you.
थैंक यू मैम.
क्या रूपा जी,
I was just going through with this modern
Why
Adhyatma
not?
actually.
Yes.
Yeah, so I just wanted to know one-liner, what exactly is modern Adhyatma like?
Okay, I was a journalist and also a columnist for my state newspapers, and also because I did MA in philosophy and PhD on the same subject in Bhagavad Gita, so I was writing columns for youngsters. हम लोग आध्यात्म बताए तो nobody will read. Then the journalist, the chief editor told me we'll keep it as modern Adhyatma. I told them there is no modern and old for Adhyatma, Sirji. So Adhyatma is Adhyatma. Just to grab the attention, my chief editor, he suggested me to keep that title in a newspaper. You know, many youngsters, many people who wanted to commit suicide also, you know, after reading my articles, madam जी आपका articles पढ़ के मैंने जिंदगी बिता रहा हूँ independently, तो I've stopped doing all this nonsense. वो सभी कर see, all my articles are related with philosophy, but today's generation people should adopt and they should lead their life. So उनके बारे में लिख चुकी हूँ. Even to love someone, you should have philosophy within you.
So do you have something of your own definition about the Adhyatma, or everything is related to
See, our whole life is related with Adhyatma only. We may name it in a different way in English, Tamil, Telugu में, कन्नड़ा में, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. But the existence of soul, who am I, why am I existing, वो वेद का पहला मंत्र है. किम कारणम ब्रह्म कुतः स्म जातः. तो वैसे हम पूछे तो who am I, तो वो तो आध्यात्म से ही शुरू होता है.
Yeah, one very important question. Like नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने भी इंडिया से बाहर जाके इंडियंस को यूनाइट किया, एंड देन दिल्ली चलो एंड ऑल दैट हैपेंड. सो आपने भी एग्जैक्टली वही रूट लिया, एनआरआईज को आप मीट की एंड देन यूनाइटेड देम फॉर अ पैट्रियोटिक मूवी.
हाँ, ये तो मुझे बताना ही है. Whenever I give a talk in TV and wherever I write an article ना, मैं पहले एनआरआईज को ही पकड़ती हूँ. आप लोग हमारा देश छोड़ के चले गए, कुछ भी नहीं किया, इमीडिएटली आप उतरते हैं फ्लाइट से, बोलते हैं इतना गंदा है, इतना ये है, रोड ऐसा है, वो वैसा है, आपने क्या किया है मेरे देश के लिए? ये तो मैं पूछती हूँ ना सबसे. तो इवन इन अ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आई आस्क देम द फर्स्ट थिंग, सर जी आपको कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट करना है तो देश के लिए फिल्म ही करना है. हम लोग जिंदा रहे ना रहे, फिल्म रहेगा इवन आफ्टर 50 years 100 years में. तो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के लिए वी शुड लीव दैट स्टोरी.
डोंट यू थिंक नेताजी को जो हिस्ट्री में हमारे स्पेस मिलना चाहिए था, जो रिस्पेक्ट मिलना चाहिए था, शायद उतना नहीं मिला? यू पर्सनली फील इट? और
Exactly. See, why I like Meera Arya. Any woman, you know, she won't go and kill her husband to protect Netaji. Only she knew the value of Netaji. She killed her own husband. कोई नहीं करती है. वो भी भारत देश की नारी, तो वो तो पतिदेव को देव परमेश्वर मानती है, तो she won't go and kill. But Meera was very brave. You know, Netaji is important for me, not my husband. So she took that brave step, and after that she went into the jail. So that's where I appreciate, क्योंकि देश पहले.
महिमा जी, आप तो एनआरआई भी नहीं है, स्टिल यू आर कनेक्टेड विद दिस प्रोजेक्ट. सो हाउ इट ऑल हैपेंड? हाउ डिड यू गेट ऑन बोर्ड विद
My
दिस?
first film only had a very, very memorable song, I Love My India, and it was very patriotic also. Yeah. So, I guess that is the connection everyone finds with me. You know, picture का नाम परदेश था, but actually वो पूरे देश के ऊपर ही थी.
सर म्यूजिक के बारे में आप बताएंगे, म्यूजिक किस तरह का है, क्योंकि जिस तरह की फिल्म है.
I know music is very important in this film, especially that connects with the emotions, and we are using mainly सुभाष जी के टाइम पे आईने का वो सूरज बनकर जग पर चमके भारत नाम सुभागा, that song we are using in this film again. So music is very important. Please.
सबको pranam. My name is Gautam Srivatsa. Let me just give a small introduction. So I am from Kannada industry. I worked as a technician for 100 movies, and independently I've done for 50 movies in Kannada. So basically I'm an engineer, but due to my passion in music and my family background into music from last 50 years, so I'm into music always. Coming to Meera Arya, it's one of the wonderful subjects, and we know it's pre-independence subject. And there's a lot of instruments and there's a lot of music that we need to adapt for that particular period. So even if you see this particular trailer, starting from the flag, we have this Azad and the tiger and the thing, not the Ashoka Chakra. So we had to do a lot of research, and even the march fast rhythms and whatever instrumentations we have used, each and everything here, it is all related to that particular era. And there's a lot of research that we have to do for the film going forward. And I'm very lucky to be part of this project, and thank you Mahima ji, and I'm also one of the biggest fan of Mahima ji, and I congratulate Rupa and our producer. Of course, without the producer this film would not have been taken off today. So I sincerely request all your blessings and your support to our film, and thank you so much for being part of this particular event, and thank you.
आपने कहा ये शूटिंग लोकेशन कहाँ की और कब तक ये मूवी आने वाली है?
अभी वी हैव डन ओनली लिटिल बिट, अभी करना है उनके यूपी में ही करेंगे. किधर किधर था ना सेम प्लेसेस में, तब तो भारत विभाजन नहीं हुआ था ना, सो एवरीथिंग वाज सेम. सो उधर एंड आल्सो हैदराबाद में एंड साउथ में.
अगर पाकिस्तान में रहा तो भी अब जाने वाली है.
नथिंग रॉन्ग ना, तब तो वो भी इंडिया के पार्ट था ना. वी शुड प्राउडली से वो भी मेरा प्लेस था, मेरा है. We are starting the film from London. There also we are showing the patriotism because British ruled us. So the film starts from there and again goes back there.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And सभी को धन्यवाद है. सर जी want to say a few words?
सीन भी लेना चाहिए था.
TV interview. Ma'am, thanks a lot for your kind support. ये तो देश के लिए है. ओ मेरे लैंग्वेज. धन्यवाद जी.